Okay, today we are going to see why the dryer is getting so warm, so much warm air into the laundry room, and why there's so much humidity. And what I did was, there's a bracket here and a bracket here. You can just take those off with a Phillips screwdriver. You can use just a hand, or you can use a battery operated one. And then there's two screws that hold the hinges on, and then to get the door off, you just open it like this, and then you lift, and it comes right off. Okay, so we took the front door off. We just laid it down, and you can just leave it there, and then we're gonna vacuum it up with the little unit here. And we found a carpet of just so much debris, dirt, sand, lint, found some pins, found some gravel. I thought I was gonna hit it rich and make some money out of this thing, but I'm finding out that everything is just coated in this filth. So I'm going to clean all that up with the vacuum. But I also noticed, and the reason that it gets hot in this room and very humid is that the moisture coming out of this tube is supposed to leave that tube and go out of the house. Well, it's not even connected. So I'll reconnect that, and that'll solve my problem. Okay, so I've got it mostly vacuumed out now, and I still have this not connected. So I just reach in there, and you can slide it back and forth. So you can see that's off. And now it's on, and it's got a solid connection. So that's gonna be a lot better for our laundry room. Less humidity and less heat. Now just to put everything back together. Okay, the face is back on. The tube is plugged in underneath. All of the dirt is gone, and I got rich. I got 2 pennies out of the whole ordeal.